Welcome to VidyaRANG, your smart companion for learning, developed by the innovative minds at AI Gurukul. VidyaRANG is an AI-powered educational platform designed to make studying simpler, more interactive, and more engaging. VidyaRANG is an AI Gurukul initiative that is built by students for the students. Let's get a start with the audio.
विद्यारंग एक एडटेक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो एलएलएम बेस्ड रैग टेक्निक का यूज करता है, जिसमें एलएलएम को फाइन ट्यून करके पर्सनलाइज्ड लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस दिया जाता है। यह प्लेटफॉर्म लर्नर्स के पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स को समझकर उनके लिए कस्टमाइज्ड कंटेंट और गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड करता है।
As audio suggests, VidyaRang is an VidyaRang offers an personalized learning experience by allowing users to upload study material, interact directly with their documents, and analyze their progress with in-depth feedback. VidyaRang makes learning easier and more effective. VidyaRang also comes with the light theme, so it can be also support the user which prefer the light. These are the steps for the creation of course and chat with the course. First of all, user need to go to the create course tab. If user is a instructor, then he can select the course name, upload the course file, and can chat with that course. So let's get start with the sign in. So first of all, user need to sign in to the VidyaRANG platform. So as user is not registered, so he need to sign up. So first of all, adding the username, email, and setting the password. Now we need to select the one of the role as instructor or learner. So instructor have access to create a new course or and assign a course to the particular user, while learner only chat with the course. So we select the instructor as a role and sign. So sign up is successful. We need to verify the email by using the Gmail. On Gmail, you see there is a confirmation link. By confirming, if you now log in with the ID password, it can be successfully logged in. Also, VidyaRANG comes in a Google authentication that can be also helpful for the user to sign in and authenticate fastly. Okay, let's get started with the create new course tab. So by clicking on the create new course tab, we need to add the course name. So we can add course name as object oriented programming, and we can set the course visibility as public or private. Public means the course which we have created can be accessible to any user, and private means it can be accessed to all. We have to assign the course to whom we want to give the access. So now we select the file, oops, in Java. We are making first of all it as a public and create a course. Okay, so course will create shortly and notified on your mail. So we need to wait for the few minutes. So as course is created, we can chat with that course, and it will be confirmed by your mail. So now we can check the mail for the course creation. So you see that there is a mail from the AI Gurukul which saying that your object-oriented programming course has been successfully created. So in this way, the course creation will be notified on your mails. Now let's check for the assign course tab. So now we have created the object-oriented programming course which is public currently seated on a public mode. Now we'll try to make it as a private. So we make the course as private, so it can't be assigned to all users. So we have made it private. Now we want that we have to assign the sum of the user to this course. So we can assign one of user like Mehul Kohad at the rate gmail.com. So now as we have assigned the course to Mehul Kohad, so Mehul can access this course and he can chat with course as the course is private.
So now let's log in using the learner's account. We already have an account with learners as a role. So let's put in the credentials for learner account. So we have successful login using the learner account. So let's go directly to the chat with course tab. And also we can see that we don't have access to create new course and assign course tabs because we are the learner, and we can check it using the profile page as well. Here you can see the role is learner. So let us go to the chat with course tab. Select the course which was assigned to us, object oriented programming. Let us start by getting the summary of the course. So we get the summary of the course. Here we have another feature where you can hear the received response.
Course summary for object-oriented programming. This document is about object-oriented programming in Java.
So by clicking on this play button, you can hear the response received as well. So now let us ask few questions about the course and let's see what are the responses that we get. So we have asked the question, what are the classes and objects? Let us see what is the response of our model. So it says in object-oriented programming, classes and objects are fundamental concepts. Class like a blueprint or template that defines the properties and so on. So we can hear the response as well.
In object-oriented programming, classes and objects are fundamental concepts. A class is like a blueprint or template that defines the properties and behaviors of objects. It serves as a user-defined data type where you can specify the attributes, properties, and methods.
So you can also use the microphone to ask questions about the course. So let's try this out too. What are the fundamental principles of object-oriented programming? So we have received the response. So the fundamental principles of object-oriented programming revolve around the concept of classes and object, and in OOP, class is user, and so on. This is the response that we received. So let us ask a question which is out of the document. So let us ask, who is the Prime Minister of India? So it says, I don't know. That means the responses that we were receiving so far were only on the basis of course document and no extra false information is there in the responses. So this was all about the VidyaRANG. Thank you.